Oh yeah, we rolling. Hey, we rolling, we live. At 5. Hey, what it is, what it do. Today we at the Guadalupe River up in Gonzales. My boy Lil Chris over here. What you tell him, Chris? Cristo, Texas. Today we fishing for gar. My boy got the maroon joint. You know, we got to get that morning get right. Somebody left a motherfucking mess, so we probably gonna be cleaning while we waiting on a bite. Shit. We got some big boy rods today because we seen some big ass gar last time we was here on the riverbank. This is what we working with on the setup. Little dam over there. We got frozen shad, we got Rios, and I'm trying to catch some live mullet or something. Last time we caught some mullet. That's what I'm using. Right now I got an open spool, waiting for the gar to come take it. Going downstream this time. I'll show y'all how I got this one set up. I got this other post set up the same way. We got 30-pound main line on the cow cutter. We're running a light weight because we're in light, or excuse me, shallow water. It's like a 1 1/4 to a barrel swivel. It's an 80-pound braid, size 5s. Circle hook snelled down to a treble hook. That I stepped on. And that's how I got the other one set up too. Might throw a float on this one later on once they start coming more to the top. Right now it's cold, everything's been on bottom. Shit, we're gonna get back to you. Hey, we got a gar running on my shit. Oh yeah. Hey, you finna spool me, come on. Wait for the second run. Trying to let that hoe eat it right now, bro. Woo, my heart beating fast. Hopefully we can get this motherfucker. Damn, they missed the run, bro. This motherfucker was running. Taking my time, baby. Woo, my heart going like this. Doo-doo, doo-doo. How y'all doing? tell if it's on or not. Think Chris might have a gar on.
Oh shit.
You do?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, he's on. Gar on, gar on. Keep him up top, fam. Keep that rod up. Keep that rod up. Them bitches be fighting. I had caught one earlier. My shit broke off. There we go. Come on.
Oh shit. Oh yeah.
Woo!
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Fuck.
Keep him up. Keep him up. Keep him up. Here.
It might be something on that hoe. I don't even think that hoe is over.
Oh yeah, he's not even. Yeah, something on this bitch too.
Come on. Please don't be a turtle, man.
No, that's
Please.
definitely not no turtle, fam.
I'm going back this way.
Yep.
Oh shit.
Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up. Hey, they can take some drag. Tighten up that drag. Just don't do it too tight.
Tighten up some drag.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Shit, you might have to just thug it out in the rain, fam. Keep him up. My camera all fucked up. Come on. Ooh, come on. Damn, there's something on that hoe. My phone tripping. This nigga Chris caught a fat ass gar. Hey, I'm coming. I'm coming. Woo! Fuck, shit not picking up. Come on.
What are we gonna do?
Oh, I can lasso this nigga.
Oh shit. Hey! I'm hooked up to a motherfucking guard.
Woo, we got a fucking guard.
I'm hooked up to a guard.
Hey, it's a gator guard too.
Mom, it's a guard.
Hey, alligator guard.
I'm gonna hit you back when I get it out, but I just have to let you know I got a guard.
Oh,
Alright, he on, like I see him, we see him in everything this time. Look, he right there, look, you can see him? Oh, alright, I'm gonna call you back, Fuck, bro, we gotta land this bitch, bro. Fuck, we gotta land this bitch, bro. coming. Here it is. Here it is. You got some. Woo! Hey, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. I can't take credit from my boy. He did his thing. But it was my technique. But my boy, you landed your first alligator gar. And this ain't no fucking long nose.
Medium action too.
Oh shit.
First fucking gar.
Oh, this hole is big. Come on.
You gotta get that nigga over here. Which way we going? Oh shit.
Thank God we got him up. Nigga.
Bro, my first gar.
That is fucking insane.
I gotta call my mama back. That's crazy, bro.
Bro, that is insane.
Mom, look.
My first gar. That motherfucker is huge. You gonna fillet him? You gonna cut his head off? Yeah. Hey, we bringing this home to you. I'll call you back in a minute. Wow. Wow, man, bro. It was my bobber and shit. Like I had tied it for him, but then it came and hit his ball. Woo! Huh? This motherfucker like 4 feet. Sheesh. Bro, we gotta stay. Fuck this rain. Alright, babe. Alright. Good shit, boy.